Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to link accounts on Robinhood. So you want to link whichever one of the three accounts that you can link. This video is for you, so I'm going to show you that right now. The first is linking a bank account. First account is a bank account. So how you do that is first open the Robinhood app or website, and then log into the account and tap or click on the accounts or funding tab, then choose add fund option, and then choose link bank account option. So you provide your bank account number as well as your routing number and your account type. Then Robinhood will send two small test deposits to your bank account. So you got to enter the amounts to verify your accounts. Once you're done, that's pretty much it. For the second one is linking a brokerage account. So how you do that is also very simple. Open the Robinhood app or log into the website, and then tap or click on the accounts or funding tab. Choose the transfer stock options, then choose the link brokerage account option. Provide your brokerage account details as well as other stuff, and Robinhood will verify your brokerage account details. So that's pretty much it for that. Now for the last type, which is the retirement accounts, also first you want to do is to open the Robinhood app or log onto the website, then tap or click on the accounts or funding tab. Choose the retirement account option, then choose link retirement accounts options, and provide your retirement account number and other required details. Once you're done with that, Robinhood will verify your retirement account details and you're done. Now there are some requirements to doing this. The first is you must be the owner of the account you're linking. I think that goes without saying. You got to be the owner before you can link that account. You also must verify your account details to link the accounts. And the third, of course, is linking account must comply with relevant regulations such as the anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements. So you got to comply with those to be able to link your account. Now there are a couple of tips I got for you guys. The first is to double check your account details to avoid errors. All right, so you might want to link an account and you make a mistake in the account number or something else, you're gonna have issues. So make sure you double check that account detail. The second is to ensure that you are the owner of the account you're linking. I think I said that before. Make sure you can't link another person's account. So if it's yours, that's all well and good. Now the third is to keep an eye on your account activities after linking accounts. All right, just to for security reasons, just make sure you keep an eye on your stuff. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys found that useful. Hope you found it informative. If you did, then like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video of course, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell, because YouTube is crazy and sometimes they might not send out notifications unless you have that bell turned on. So please ring that bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.